Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. BitGo's public debut delivered strong investor confidence, and generational shifts are reshaping how Americans view cryptocurrency versus traditional banking. Meanwhile, regulatory battles over stablecoin yields heat up in Washington as gold challenges Bitcoin's store of value narrative. BitGo made its New York Stock Exchange debut on January 22nd, pricing shares at $18 and surging 36% before settling at $18.49. The cryptocurrency custody firm raised $212.8 million at a $2 billion valuation. YZi Labs, backed by Binance co-founder Changpeng Zhao, confirmed a strategic stake. BitGo currently secures $82 billion in assets for over 5,000 institutional clients. Gen Z Americans demonstrate significantly higher trust in cryptocurrency than traditional banks. Protocol theory research shows 49% of Gen Z have used a crypto exchange, with 37% currently owning crypto. 22% of Gen Z trust crypto more than banks to safeguard assets, compared to 24% of millennials, 13% of Gen X, and just 5% of boomers. 56% of Gen Z want to self-custody assets, reflecting a desire for control driven by economic constraints. US banks are pushing to ban stablecoin yields before the 2026 elections. The American Bankers Association demanded Congress prohibit interest, yield, or rewards on payment stablecoins. Bank of America CEO Brian Moynihan warned that up to $6 trillion could leave traditional banks if stablecoin yields remain legal. Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire called bank concerns totally absurd, while Anthony Scaramucci warned that banning yields could hurt US competitiveness. Bitcoin is trading around $89,079 as gold approaches $5,000 per ounce. Ethereum sits at $2,936, while Dogecoin trades at 12.5 cents. US Bitcoin ETF outflows reached $709 million on Wednesday, the largest decline since November 20th, while Ethereum ETFs shed $287 million. President Trump filed a $5 billion lawsuit against JPMorgan Chase and CEO Jamie Dimon on Thursday, alleging the bank closed his accounts based on political motivations. The suit follows Trump's executive order directing federal banking regulators to prevent debanking related to political views and cryptocurrency. The SEC and CFTC announced plans to hold a joint public event on January 27th, titled SEC CFTC Harmonization: US Financial Leadership in the Crypto Era. Hardware wallet manufacturer Ledger is planning a US initial public offering that could value the company at over $4 billion. The French company achieved record revenues exceeding $100 million in 2025. Thailand's Securities and Exchange Commission announced a 3-year strategic plan, including a regulatory framework for crypto exchange-traded funds expected early 2026. Meanwhile, Caroline Ellison has been released from federal custody after serving 14 months. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.